At Plano, we believe in building things not just with tools, but with teamwork. Our theme this year is Build Up, Rise Together. It's about helping each other grow, each child, each day. When we built our Gaga pit, we did it as a team. We carried beams, drilled holes, and cheered each other on. We learned that building something takes effort, patience, and trust, just like school. Pit isn't just for fun. It's proof of what we can do when we rise together for each child, each day.